Alright guys, today's episode we're going to be reviewing a cool little product from Harbor Freight. I got to test this deal out not too long ago, and we're going to put this thing through its paces today. So this is basically a removes rust, paint, flaking material. It's a grinding wheel, okay, that you put on a 4.5 inch grinder, right? And I've been using this thing, putting it through its paces, and I tell you folks, it's not bad at all. I haven't been running the guard with this wheel on, because once you start using the guard and you wear down the wheel just a little bit, your guard is in the way. It doesn't let the wheel work anymore. You're basically just letting the guard dig in, so that's why the guard isn't on it. Normally I like using the guard just for safety and stuff, but for this one I wasn't able to use the guard on it. That was just what I found out with it. So let's get into this video here, and we'll do some grinding, and I'll show you guys what this thing's all about. Boom, son, it is time to take the paint off this quarter. Good Lord, this has looked so ugly for so long now. But it's time to start getting this paint job here coming along on this old car. Get at least, you know, the full vehicle having at least the same color going on here. But I was very happy with this tool. Apologize, you guys got to see my butt in most of this quick video here, but I feel like it worked good. Go out and get you one, guys. We'll talk about this thing a little bit more here at the end of the video, and just kind of stand back and look at our progress here. Alrighty guys, so what I thought I would do is show a comparison kind of between two things here. This finish right here, I get a lot of questions about this finish. This was from Eastwood tool, their contour tool. That's the finish that is, and this is the finish that that Harbor Freight paint remover wheel does. It kind of puts a swirl on the metal that you're grinding on, and but it takes down the paint quite quickly. I was very impressed with it. I did take the wheel over some other areas that had already been stripped down and didn't have any paint on it, and that's kind of what the finish looked like there. I gotta say, that grinding wheel is very quick. We'll go over here on this side and let you guys see it too. Yeah, so that side has been done as well. Very quick. I was very happy with how quickly that wheel stripped this down. I got through the paint very quickly, and something you'll see me doing in the video, you guys will see me taking a grinder and just patting off over here and dressing the wheel. Basically what's happening is the wheel is getting clogged up with paint, and then it no longer wants to strip the paint off. But then you dress it on a piece of metal, like on the edge of something. Just take you a piece of plate, 1/4 inch, or a piece of angle iron or something, and just be prepared to use that piece of metal to clean your wheel off, so it'll start grinding good again. But yeah guys, pretty impressed for how cheap it was. I think mine was like $5, and not bad. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I just want to give like a quick video here on something I found out that was pretty cool. When I come across a cool tool or something that I find that kind of saved me some time, I like sharing that with you guys. I haven't done a Harbor Freight review video in a while, but then I don't always do just Harbor Freight tools. I do other tools as well. But when I come across something cool, I'm like, hey guys, I think you guys might want to try this. So again, I think it's a pretty cool little product for how cheap that it is. I really wish I'd had one of these when we were stripping down Jesse Gardner's 55 hood. You guys saw the episode of us doing the whole louver job and stuff on that, and Jesse had to get all of the paint off of that first before we could stamp some louvers in it. And that tool would have worked out really well for that, because it had a lot of thick primer on it, and that thing cut through primer and cut through some Bondo very quickly and very easily. So not bad. If you're in a very tight budget and you don't have a contour an Eastwood tool, I think this is a very good alternative. It's simple, it's quick and easy, it works on an existing tool you've already got. I was just using a Harbor Freight grinder, and using a Harbor Freight wheel, and it worked fine. No problems, no issues. And I done both quarters with one wheel. So $5, stripped down both sides very quickly. In real time, I know people are going to ask us, because I had the videos sped up there on actually grinding that down, how long did that actually take? That took roughly on each panel probably about 10 to 12 minutes of time, okay? The very nice thing about it was the wheel, you just needed to make sure that you dressed it, that you got that gunk out of it, because you can notice it start to stop taking off paint. And as soon as you see that, and you can feel it in the grinder too, just by kind of feeling of it and getting used to what it likes and what it don't like. Run up against a piece of metal, get that paint dust out of it. Once that paint's back out of it, it's back to stripping paint off very quickly. So I was happy with it. With the contour of using that thing, I don't have the same exact wheel for the contour. They make that same type of material wheel for the contour, and that would have been a really good comparison video, but I don't have it, and that wheel is about $60-some, and I think that's before it's even shipped. So I was like, it's not worth purchasing one of those wheels to do a comparison when I just had 2 panels to do, and I seen how quickly that works. So hey, $5, got both sides done, and the wheel's still good, and it can do a lot more stripping if I needed to. So that's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to go over to KillerMotorsports.com, where we've got all kinds of merch over there and all kinds of high performance products as well. And definitely a big shout out to our sponsors and partners. Till next time, you guys have a good one.